Hi guys, so since it's so difficult to fit these wheels together, what you can do is get your plastic half from your plastic Mini and put that on something, on a table. If you have a tire like I have, or something hollow that you can place it on, it's even better. Here. This Raptor tire is a very good base for whenever you're doing tire work or anything like that. Put this here, got the hole here with the protrusion upwards. So this is a very difficult task to put these two halves and press them together enough so that you can put the screw in. So what you have to do is find some way to prop this in a hole like this. And then take your screw in, and with this one in the bottom, keep it like that underneath. Okay, and bring it close to you. So pressing hard on it. Make sure your valve is straight. No rush. Okay. No, nothing is happening right now. Okay. Let's do a test. Okay, this is the right way to do it. Okay, so you heard the screw drop in. I can't do it now because I dropped the screw. Take the screw, the nut, put it in the hole, and keep it with your finger in. And now, let's try to press on it somehow. Okay. Okay. Let's go now. Nothing. I think I should use the other half. This or like this. Okay, that's gonna go like that. Oh yeah, that's so easy to press down. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Press this down like that. And then you put that on there. Put that on there, keep it pressed. All you gotta do is catch one screw. That's it. We catch it, we catch it. So now it's gonna be real easy because these halves are already approached. We're gonna do in the opposite direction, the opposite side. Next one. Down in there. And this here. So what you're doing, you're using your other rim to do this operation. It doesn't want to. Maybe it's already close enough that we don't need to do anything. Bam. Caught the other one too. Okay, so you keep going like that. You got all of them. So from now on, it's a breeze. You go through them. All of them are in. And now we start our clockwise. 1, 2, 3, until you feel it tight. 1, okay, so tight. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. When you're tightening this, the next one is always going to be loose. Always keep an eye on your valve to have it centered there. And now it's safe to inflate. See, now this is a bit crooked. Yeah, I fitted this a bit crooked. I think I can see that there's something leaking. It's actually the pump. Yeah. I'm just gonna get a proper compressor. Principle, that's it. I put this crooked. Just remember to always line it as you're fitting the tire on, the wheel on, to have it straight. This is real thin. I guess you gotta try it. See how it is.